Transparent colors in Lego sets. So the colors data has a column named is trans, which is that one, which I figured that meant like transparent colors. The color data has a column named is underscore trans that indicates whether a color is transparent or not. It will be interesting to explore the distribution of transparent versus non-transparent colors. So it says summarize colors based on their transparency. Save the result as a variable named color summary. So color summary equals oh, executing your code should result in the table below. What does this say? So basically I'm trying to see if it's transparent or not. It's like a Boolean. I don't want that one. Go away. Let's see. Do I have a group by? Just no. Let's take a hint, because I'm not really 100%. Group by. See, that's why you always got to go by your first mind, people. I was like, group it? You will need to use the group by in this step, passing it in the name of the column you want to group by. You will need to use an aggregation function in combination with group by to correctly count the number of transparent and non-transparent colors. Okay, let's see if we can remember. What is the... Here it is. So I have to do colors dot group by the column is underscore trans. Okay. What's this column called? Is trans. And then we're going to count. Dot count. Is it gonna let me do that? Let's try it. Oh, I have to print it out. Where we at? What did I do? Group by I'm Googling everything. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's look at the documentation. I just clearly. Do we have an example? Oh, I gotta put by in there? Oh. Maybe I should have followed the directions. Let's go back. So, by. Syntax was right there. Do I have to put it in quotes though? I don't know. Let's go back. Where we at? Okay, put it in that. And then outside of that, call the aggregated. Okay, let's try it. First, let's put you in here. Close you out. Call the count on there. Let's try that. Do I gotta print something? You need to use the group by. Yep. Okay, so I did that part. Let's print the colors summary. Yay! We did it. Okay, that's what it's supposed to look like. That is so exciting. I'm gonna use Google, okay? If I don't understand something, I'm gonna use Google. So basically we grouped by this column is underscore trans, and since there's false and true in here, it pretty much grouped everything. So it looks like there's out of all of the Lego colors, 107 colors are not transparent, and there's 28 colors that are transparent. It's very interesting.